Hey everyone! Welcome back to SOPHIA Satisfying Slime. Today's challenge is going to be super exciting, 13 colorful balloons, each hiding a special slime ingredient. I can't wait to pop them and see what surprises are inside. Are you ready to dive into this colorful adventure? Let's get started! Alright, first up is this bright orange balloon. Look how vibrant it is. It almost feels like it's glowing, ready to reveal something super exciting inside. The balloon feels a bit heavy and squishy. I wonder what could be in there. Let's pop it and find out. Pop! Whoa! It's orange glue. Look at that vibrant color. It's so bold and cheerful, almost like a burst of sunshine. Next, we have this cool blue balloon. The color reminds me of the ocean, so calm and soothing. It feels a little lighter than the first one, but still squishy. What do you think could be inside? Let's find out. Pop! Wow! It's glue! Imagine the swirl of colors when we mix them later. It's going to be super fun. Now we have a bright green balloon. It feels really light and soft, definitely something fluffy in here. I love how this green shade looks so fresh and vibrant. Okay, time to pop it. Pop! Oh wow! It's shaving foam. Look at how fluffy it is as it comes out. This will make the slime super airy and puffy. I can't wait to feel the texture when it's all mixed in. Next up is this lovely pink balloon. It looks so cute, like a little bubblegum bubble. It feels a bit heavier, maybe another glue inside. Let's see. Pop! Ah, it's pink glue. Such a pretty pastel shade. It's going to add a sweet and soft touch to our colorful slime. Here's a white balloon. It feels quite heavy, just like the first one. I'm guessing we might have more glue in here. Pop! Yes, it's more orange glue. This color is so bright and energetic. I love how it makes the slime look super vibrant. Look at this yellow balloon. It's so cheerful, like a little ball of sunshine. It feels kind of squishy and liquidy. I'm really curious what's inside. Pop! Oh wow! It's yellow liquid glue. This type of glue will make our slime super glossy and smooth. Here we have another blue balloon. This one feels light and bumpy. There must be something with texture inside. Let's find out. Pop! Oh, it's purple foam. Look at those tiny foam beads. They're going to add such a fun, crunchy texture to our slime. I can already imagine how satisfying it will be to squeeze. Now we've got another green balloon. It feels light, but with something solid inside. Maybe some charms. Let's pop it and see. Pop! Aw! It's colorful star-shaped beads. Aren't they adorable? These little stars will add a magical touch to our slime. Here's another pink balloon. It feels really bumpy, definitely something crunchy inside. Let's see what it is. Pop! Oh, it's pink foam beads. These will give our slime a crunchy texture and make it super fun to play with. Now we have this bright red balloon. It feels small and bumpy, maybe more beads. Let's find out. Wow, it's tiny red beads. These will add such a cool pop of color and a nice crunchy feel to our slime. Here's another pink balloon. This one feels really light, but with something small inside. Could it be charms again? Pop! Aw! It's adorable multicolored bear-shaped beads. Look how cute they are. Adding fun charms like these always makes slime more exciting to play with. Now we have another blue balloon. It feels a bit grainy. I'm guessing there's glitter inside. Let's pop it. Pop! Oh wow! It's blue glitter. It's so sparkly. And finally, we have this white balloon. It feels light, but with something solid and round inside. Let's find out what it is. Pop! Oh, it's white pearls. How wonderful! Now that we've popped all 13 balloons, it's time to mix everything together. Look at all these amazing colors blending together: orange, blue, pink, yellow. It's like a rainbow explosion. The shaving foam makes it super fluffy, and the foam beads and charms add so much texture. Can you hear that? The soft squish of the glue. The crunch of the foam beads, it's so satisfying. Mixing everything together is always my favorite part because it feels so relaxing and fun at the same time. Look how stretchy and fluffy it is. The glitter sparkles beautifully, and the little foam beads and charms make it super fun to squish and stretch. Plus, the shaving foam made it so soft and airy. And listen to that crunch. Isn't it so satisfying? This has to be one of the most colorful and fun slimes I've ever made. Which ingredient did you like the most? Let me know in the comments. Was it the colorful glue, the glitter, or maybe the cute little bear beads? Alright, that's it for today's challenge. We made an incredibly colorful, fluffy, and crunchy slime with 13 different ingredients from Mystery Balloon. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of my future slime adventures. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time on Sophia Satisfying Slime. Bye bye!